most of the infections that man come down with, to a large extent, is always bacterial infection. That's why anything that's more like infection, everybody wants to use antibiotics. But they say bacteria. But reverse is the case for plants. Disruptive fungal infection of plants. So just note this. Most plant diseases are caused by fungi. So a large number of plant diseases are caused by fungal infections, So most plant diseases are caused by fungal infection. Just like we have similar to what you have for bacterial infections. Also, with fungal infections, you also have wilting of the leaves and stems. You also have that happening here. That's for fungal infections. Then you also have something called ulcerative lesions. You have blight, leaf spots, leaf blight, and cankers, and formation of cankers. Now, this cankers formation is also characteristic of bacterial disease in plant, because there is this disease in plant that is caused by bacteria. It's called citrus cankers, and it affects citrus and all its relative family, tomato, oranges, and the rest. So the citrus plant, basically citrus cankers. So formation of cankers. You also find it with the fungi as well, together with the wilting of the leaves and stem, together with the ulcerative lesions, together with the leaf spot. So you find that in fungal infections. And common examples of diseases caused by fungal infections, you have the late potato blight. That is the potato plant now. Its leaves will be full of there will be leaf blight in the potato plant. You also have powdery mildew. So all these characterize fungal disease caused by fungal infection. How about virus? Let's see that in the next class.